Hello everyone, in today's class we are going to study grade 9 maths triangles chapter. Already earlier classes la triangles na enna adode properties na enna idella nama padichirukom. Ipo inniki class la புதுசா ஒரு கான்செப்ட் பார்க்குறோம், that is congruence of triangles. What is that? Congruence of triangles. அப்படின்னா என்ன சார்? இப்போ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் நாம டே டு டே லைஃப்ல நிறைய பார்த்துருக்குறோம். அதாவது ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஏடிஎம் கார்ட்ஸ் யூசி ஏடிஎம் கார்ட்ஸ் ரெண்டு ஏடிஎம் கார்ட்ஸ் பாருங்க ஆஃப் சேம் பேங்க், இட் லுக் அலைக் சேம். That means all the sides will be equal. So if you attach together, they will exactly coincide. Likewise, A4 sheets, you take two A4 sheets, you attach together, they will always hide each other exactly, isn't it? So in the various examples we see in our day-to-day life, all are congruent figures. They are all congruent figures. So generally what congruent figure means, if two geometrical figures are having the same size and same shape are known as congruent figures. Likewise, we consider the two triangles. இப்போ ரெண்டு ட்ரையாங்கிள் நம்ம எடுத்துக்கிறோம், அந்த ரெண்டு ட்ரையாங்கிள் congruent triangles அப்படின்னா இந்த ரெண்டுக்கு same size and same shape. Look at these two, both are same size, same shape. They are congruent triangles. Mathematically, how to define congruent triangles, sir? Abdina, you consider the two triangles ABC and DEF. Rendu triangle eduthukurom. If the corresponding angles are equal and if the corresponding sides are equal in these two triangles, then they are known as congruent triangles. சொல்ல போனா எப்படி சொல்றானா, இப்போ AB, look at AB side, it is correspondingly equal to DE, and BC is correspondingly equal to EF. Similarly, AC side is correspondingly equal to DF. So three corresponding sides are equal. Similarly, three corresponding angles, look at angle A here, angle D are equal, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. So three corresponding angles are equal and three corresponding sides are equal, then we say that they are congruent triangles. How to write it? So first, angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F, and side AB is equal to side DE, and side BC is equal to EF, as well as AC is equal to DF. So if all the six conditions are satisfied, we say that they are congruent triangles. Okay? So if three corresponding angles equal and the three corresponding sides are equal, then we say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Look at the symbol. This is known as is congruent to. How to write? Once again, is say put like this 1, 2. So this is the symbol for is congruent to. Already is equal to we know, this is congruent to. That means triangle ABC and DEF are congruent to each other. So now we have some criteria for triangles, congruent triangles. What are they? Criteria means what? Only if these six conditions are satisfied, we say that we no need to say that they are congruent triangles. So we have certain conditions. Based on those conditions, we can prove that the two triangles are congruent. So what are they? So that is what? Criteria. Criteria for congruent triangles. Okay, congruent triangles. So the first criteria is SAS criteria. SAS means what? Side angle side. So for example, you consider two triangles ABC, DEF. ரெண்டு triangle எடுத்துக்கிறோம். இதுல side AB is equal to side DE correspondingly, and side BC is equal to EF, and two pairs of corresponding sides are equal here, and one included angle. See, this is angle B is included angle. So already AB, BC correspondingly equal, and this is one included angle are equal. So two sides and one included angle of one triangle is correspondingly equal to two sides and the included angle of the other triangle, then they are known as congruent triangles. So this is the first criterion. Second one is SSS criterion. What is SSS, sir? Very simple. In these two triangles, if all the three corresponding sides are equal, this side and this side are equal, this side and this side equal, and this side and this side are equal. So three corresponding sides are equal, then we say that it is SSS criterion. That means only if it is satisfied these three enough, then we say that this is what SSS criterion. Okay, then third one is what? ASA criterion. ASA means what? Angle, side angle. So once again you consider the two triangles. In this angle and side and another angle, second angle. So if two angles and one corresponding included angle are equal, then we say that they are congruent triangles. Two angles and included side are equally correspondingly equal to another triangle. So they are known as congruent triangles. And fourth one is AAS congruence. AAS means what? Once again, angle, side. Two corresponding angles and one side. So angle, side. Angle, side. So if two angle and one side is correspondingly equal means they are congruent triangles. At last we have RHS criterion. RHS means what? So we are dealing with right angle triangles this time. You consider two right angle triangles. So in this right angle triangle, this is right angle 90 degree. That is what R. R means right angle 90 degree. H means hypotenuse. Which is hypotenuse? The side opposite to 90 degree. So this side and this side are hypotenuse. So both are equal. And side means what? Any one side. It can be this side. These two sides are equal. So right angle, hypotenuse and one side are equal means then they are congruent triangles. So these are the 5 criterion of congruent triangles. Okay. Now in the criterion base பண்ணி நம்ம sums நம்ம போட போறோம். First criterion is SAS. அதை base பண்ணி ஒரு example பார்க்கலாமா? Okay. So look at the diagram A, O, B, C, O, D. So in this diagram, OA, OB equal, OC, OD equal. It is given. It is given. Then what we have to prove is, and obviously this angle and this angle are equal. Why? They are vertically opposite angles. So these two are vertically opposite angles. They are equal. So it is also given. So with this, what we have to prove is, first one, triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC. So this triangle and this triangle are congruent. We have to prove. Then second one is what? This AD and BC are parallel. AD is parallel to BC. I have to prove these two things. Okay. So first we go to the proof. So initially what we have to do is, in all the sums in triangle chapter, we have to consider the two triangles given in this figure and we have to prove that they are congruent triangles. Okay. So based on the congruent triangles, I am going to prove it. Okay. We will see. Now in this figure, what are the two triangles we have? Obviously AOD and BOC. There are two triangles. These two triangles are here. So now I consider the two triangles. Consider triangle AOD and triangle BOC. Okay. So I take it separately for your understanding. AOD, this is BOC. Okay. So here first my aim is I have to prove that they are congruent triangles. So that is the first one. After proving, I can go with AD is parallel to BC. I am going to prove. Okay. So how to prove, sir? Here AOD, AOD and BOC, these two angles are equal, we know. Okay. AOD, this angle, BOC, they are corresponding vertically opposite angles. Okay. So angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. They are nothing but vertically opposite angles. Okay, vertically opposite angles. And next what? OA, OB equal. See, OA of this triangle, OB of this triangle are equal. So in the original figure, OA, OB is given as equal. So here OA, OB, I mark it, they are equal sides. From the original figure, I mark it. Similarly, OC and OD are equal. Here OC of this triangle, OD of this triangle are equal. So double mark I do. So OC, OD are equal. So OA equal to OB, OC is equal to OD. So these two are given in the question, given in the diagram. Okay. Now look at it. So two sides and one included angle of one triangle is correspondingly equal to two sides and one included angle of other triangle are equal. So by which criteria? SAS. Look at SAS criteria. So these two look like these two. Okay. So based on SAS criteria, we say that what I can say, I rub it here. So based on SAS criterion, therefore by SAS criterion, we say that triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC. Can you say AOD and BOC are congruent? So this is the first one we proved. Okay, if two triangles are congruent, then we know the corresponding sides are equal and corresponding angles also equal. Now what I say is OAD, can I take OAD and OBC are equal? OAD of first triangle, OBC of second triangle are equal. I just write angle OAD of the first triangle is equal to OBC of the second triangle. OBC of the second triangle equal. So how? They are known as CPCT. Under CPCT, they are equal. What is CPCT, sir? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. So we shortly write it as CPCT. So corresponding parts means it can be angles, it can be corresponding sides as well. Okay. So since OAD and OBC are equal, look at the original figure. OAD, this angle, OBC, this angle. So these two are nothing but alternate angles. So since the alternate angles are equal, we say that AD is parallel to BC. So I erase here. Since the alternate angles are equal, so we say that AD is parallel to BC. So hence proved. All of you understood? So this is how we use criterion of congruent triangles in the sums. Okay. So the remaining criterion based sums we will do in the next classes. Okay. Thank you.